In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter transactions in your QuickBooks Online register. Let's get started by making our way to the sign in page. Simply click on sign in to begin, and from there you'll select QuickBooks Online. This selection will lead us to a place where we can securely type in our credentials. Once you have entered your login information, go ahead and click on continue. Now that we are inside QuickBooks Online, navigate your way over to the expenses tab. This is where the next steps will take place. Once you are in the expenses section, you will need to locate the new transaction button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button is going to help us enter our new transaction. After you've clicked new transaction, you'll need to specify what kind of transaction it is. For this exercise, we're going to focus on expenses, so go ahead and click on expense. This brings up an entry form where you can input all the necessary details about the transaction you are entering. The first thing to input in this section is the payee. In the Add the Payee field, you'll enter the name of the individual or organization that the expense pertains to. Following this, you need to specify the payment account. This is crucial as it identifies which of your accounts is being used to cover the expense. You'll select an account from the list available in the Add the Payment Account drop-down menu. Once that's in place, let's move on to the payment method. Here, you'll have various options like credit card, bank transfer, cash, or whichever method your organization uses. Picking the right payment method is essential for keeping your records accurate, so ensure you click on Add the Payment Method and choose the correct one. Now onto the details of what exactly the expense pertains to. In the Add the Product Service field, you'll want to input what's being paid for. This could range from office supplies to software subscriptions, or any other product or service your company needs. Adding these items with specific details will give your entry more completeness and accuracy. After you've double checked your entries to ensure everything is correct, it's time for the final step, saving it. Look for the Save and Close option, usually found at the bottom of the entry form. Clicking this confirms your transaction and closes the entry, safely storing it into your register. That's it, you've successfully entered a transaction manually in your QuickBooks Online register. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps make your accounting processes smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to check back for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tutorials.